I have in my hand here an IP55 waterproof electrical junction box, which you can see here. So the dimensions on it are, it's 85 millimeters long, wide, and 50 millimeters deep. And if we just look at the plastic cover on it here, the first thing to notice is the plastic cover, it's pretty flexible, it's not too brittle, and that's an important point because the brittle ones can be notorious because if you drop them or that will crack, but with these ones here are quite flexible, and I'll just show you that there now. Yeah. So we'll look inside here and we'll just see here, you can see the basic shape here, and we have a total of 7 access points. So 2 this side, 2 here, another 2, and 1 on this side, each time just with these little rubber bungs here. And the hole that we've actually drilled in there is around 25, or it's drilled in is about 25 millimeters, or 27 millimeters. So something like this is ideal, we'll say. If you come along and you want to join a cable outside, something like that, you obviously don't want the water to get into it. So what you do is you could just cut a hole in the side of it here, push the cable in, and you could put a connector on, we'll say, if you were doing, we'll say, for cameras, if you were joining 2 lengths of Cat5, if you had a B&C connector on it, etc. It just makes an ideal environment. And then you can come along, you can obviously hang this and drill this and bolt it onto the wall, okay? Now, something I'm going to mention along with this is that there's Glands we also have available. We have an M20 and also an M25 here. The M25 is actually the one that suits this, and you can just insert it into the side and you can close it in just to get a tight fit on the cable feeding in, okay? Or you can silicone around it, something like that. In terms of this box, it's the smallest in a range of boxes we have here. We have the other ones here, a larger version here with a screw-on type top, and it moves all the way up. That's an IP55, another IP55, and now we have a larger one that's actually a slightly higher rated one. So each of them have a purpose. And these proved to be very, very popular on our website, particularly with people who are buying CCTV cameras, things like that. Basically anybody who wants to be able to have a dust and watertight seal around their junction. These junction boxes are ideal, low cost and very effective solutions.